motivate them because of the situation that's there. It will empower them. It will make parents feel good. It will make the government even come crying that, we need to have you people in my country, So that's what it is. So now with that said, I invite you to experience this whole process, just humble yourself a bit, and just come be like, you can even act like, yeah, I'm a teacher, I need to register for this, and I promise the ladies and gentlemen will treat you very nicely. So do that, but there's some house rules. First of all, when you reach the first station, you have to smile at the person at the desk. Don't be all German and go serious. I'm sorry. So you need to get it calm, and just say hi. I'm so sorry. I will meet you tomorrow. No. So yeah, just come, and then you can ask as many questions you like. They can even ask you questions. So just interact with the people at each booth. You have the luxury of staying there for 10 minutes, and then there'll be a sound. Is it a sound or a bell? A funny sound which you will figure it out. You'll hear it, and then when you hear that sound, run the next. Okay? Go to the next part. You can go anywhere in the room and then talk to people. So repeat this process, and we shall meet back in a circle. Is that the sound?